Why should one not pray when the sun is rising? What is the wisdom behind it? The Prophet, peace be upon him, has prohibited us from prostrating when the sun is rising or setting, saying, it rises between the horns of the devil, it rises between the horns of the devil. For indeed, the sun rises between the horns of Satan. The sun rises between the two horns of Satan. These hadiths are not to be taken literally. These are metaphorical, or only Allah knows their full meaning. So how is it rising from the devil's horns? Some say it means that since there are many nations in the world that worship the sun, as it rises and also as it sets, the devil is pleased with this worship. Therefore, it is expressed in the hadith that the sun rises between the devil's horns because the satanic forces are pleased at that time, as it is essentially the worship of the devil. So the devil stands there smiling or is present there, being pleased. That's why this expression is used in the hadith. Otherwise, the sun is always rising somewhere. But if in a country where it is rising, someone is worshipping the sun, the devil is pleased. This is one interpretation, but it is not the definitive meaning. These hadiths are called tawqifai, meaning we are simply instructed to stop, and we must stop. And there is a great wisdom in this, so that we understand that even good deeds must be done by asking the Prophet of Allah. Now look, performing prayer and prostration is worship of Allah, but we have been told that even in worship, we must do it when and where we are commanded. Otherwise, we should not do it. We should not apply our own logic, questioning why we are being stopped from praying or prostrating before Allah. If the Prophet of Allah has stopped us during the rising of the sun at its zenith and during its setting, then it means no. So think about it. If we have to ask the Prophet even for an act of worship like prayer about when to perform it and when not to. So, the numerous types of innovations we have introduced into the religion, and we say that the Prophet did not prohibit them, so there is no proof against them, and it's not necessary to prohibit them. Brother, it's enough that it is not proven from the Prophet. Even a good deed should be done with Islam's permission. If Islam permits this good deed, then it is good. If Islam prohibits it, then even a good deed will become a bad deed.